Good morning, YouTube. The other day I did the Dollar Tree haul and I said I was going to do my own challenge of my freezer. Didn't do too great, but come on, let's see what I've gotten done and show you. In case you have a small box freezer like me stuck away in the closet. First, I'll show you a little bit from back here if Vinny could fit in and show you my organization. I was in the process of putting this down on the shelf here. Now you see I have everything on the floor. This is a Dollar Tree bag. I didn't get to tell you guys it's a basket. It's great. It holds, look, not only bags and wine bags, my platters as well. Think up on the walls I have pans, and I have a basket over here in the corner, which also serves as another spot for a pan. I use every inch, guys. This is what I got to work with. These are our Costco bulk stuff. We put them on the floor. I took those from Publix, the boxes, and arranged them so I could fit maximum. These are always buy one, get one. So you always see a lot of cereal in here. Coffee we order from Amazon online. I try to keep this stocked with beverages. There's a little bit more up here because I'm out of whack. And there's my Instapot. There's party things when we entertain and have cocktail parties, which is not often. Not often. I think we've given 2 in the 5 years we're here. But here's my XL. You've seen me cook on this grill, the Pro. We love this. Here's my induction with my pan that I love to walk around in. And here are my cast iron pans, I should say. I had another big large one. I'm giving it to my brother because it's just too heavy for me. Another tray on here. You could come in and see around. See, there's all our beach stuff, bags and stuff here for our lounges. I do get a lot in this closet. It's massive. One day we're going to show you Vinny's tool closet. I think it's up there. I'm not sure. Now here, this came with the box freezer, this piece. Then you'll see here, there's like what I call the ledge. You see that? It comes up from the bottom. That's the ledge. So that gives me storage this way. And then I have the bottom. Now I'll show you why I needed those baskets, you see? It's good to use the baskets because I'd have to go all the way down to the bottom. I can't reach, see? And the white basket I told you I was going to turn upside down for circulation, it is under the blue basket, and that's necessary so that the air flows. And I have quite a lot there. And if I had to, I just pull that basket up, this one. But basically, once I remove the top one, I could get to my shrimp, my fruit. This goes back like that. Still have a lot of space so that this can go back and forth. You do get a lot in this baby box, more shrimp. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to look like a shrimp. And see these are buy one, get one. I don't eat a lot of frozen food, but I couldn't pass these by. Frozen tenders, and those are chicken sandwich. Buy one, get one. I got to move away from Publix because they're killing me here. And always have bread. I always say that. And the ledge is great for ice cream gallons and cups like this. This is stacked all the way from the bottom. I'll show you briefly so you can see how much I got, like 2 cans of espresso for our machine. They last longer frozen, so there's 2 of them lined up there. And then this, and this stays in the middle, and we close it down. And that's that. Let me show you what I did with the regular. Let me back up so Vinny can show you what I did with the regular freezer in our kitchen. Okay, just come with me quickly. Oh, and I wanted to mention, we're going to go live tonight. You've passed it. Don't even show it to them now because we've passed my dining room several times, but we never talked in detail about what we've done because that was a complete blank. And I just want to walk you through in case you want any ideas to get creative in your own space in home. But it was an empty blank box. And I'll talk to you tonight. We'll go live around 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. This is my regular freezer. And let me just show you briefly what I did with my baskets here from the Dollar Tree store that I was showing you all. See how ideal these are? Look, it's a good idea to know what you're going to keep where and why so that when you pull it out, it makes for that much easier. See, now this is, I always use little niches. This is garlic, but this holds a lot. Look at what I've gotten in the freezer. Okay, I know what's in them, and you too will in your house. And keep the bread on top of here, but I know the bread is on top of, let me put that back here, my little garlic, on top of my complete frozen smoothie fruit bags, okay? It's all in there. Mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries. That's this whole entire basket. Now, look at the ease of that. My garlic doesn't want to stay. Okay. These are some peanuts. That peanuts last longer. I had to grind them for Vinny, and he didn't like them for some reason or other. But I kept them in here, and I kept them for baking. And I'm going to keep them until I'm ready. This, I break down my stuff, see, because there's too many, which just the two of us, okay? And this big basket here on top houses more space. So you get more out of it. I don't have much in here now, but look, there's empty spaces. I pre-make my hamburgers for us when we want them, you know. That's a good idea too. Pre-pack your freezer stuff. Break it down. Here I have the bread. Here is always buy one get one, so you'll always see a ton of bread in my house, which is a good thing, I guess. And then see, I just want to go like that and show you. Now there's more ice cream on this side and more bread, more bread. This is garlic frozen in them. I'm doing a little test for myself because when you do them unpeeled, they don't seem to last in the freezer. So I want to see how they keep with their skin. And then, you know, here's all my sofrito stuff. I put a little basket in here even on the door. See? To keep all of my condiments. Peppers freeze very well, people. I take these out. You'll see me doing them in a dish soon. Candy. Stuff down here is stuff I know I don't use a lot. Ginger. And all the way to the bottom is extra slices of lemon. Okay, I want to show you one more thing because you did take the time and give a lot of love to my transforming of jars in the other video. Vinny went to Costco yesterday for medicine and he picked himself up because we all know how Vinny likes sweets. He picked these up. These not only delicious, inexpensive, these are ready-made tiramisu. Now look at this, guys. You want to talk about a jar fanatic I am? This is tiramisu. It's in a glass jar. Beautiful. You get a set of 6. You know, I see them as a set of 6 when he's finished eating them. And let me show you. We bought them last year and I made tea lights. They're the perfect shape. I'll tell you why. Here, look at them emptied. I just cleaned one because he had one last night. How gorgeous is that little jar? It could be anything you want, really. But it is perfect for a tea light. And they've added a rim this year that you can feel it and it's distinguishable. I don't know. I guess that's a good thing if you wanted to put a ribbon around and have an edging to put it up against. Be creative, but these are free. From tiramisu, you're going to love anyways. It's delicious. These are delicious. We bought them for a party. They're great if you're having a dinner party for 6. I bought them 2 years ago, and I have 6 of these in my dining room. All right, guys, that's it for now. Tonight, I'm going to be coming on live at 8 p.m. with Vinny, filming me to show you in more detail and talk about what we actually did to the blank dining room that was here when we bought the condo. Because I enjoyed doing it and we're real proud of the things we've done in this apartment and we want to share it. So I'll see you tonight and hopefully I'll get a video up today using some more of that sauce and tomato paste. Later, guys. See you in the next video.